Breaking news, breaking news. Yo, 6 man get shot in a Kingstown, St. Vincent, and 4 of them dead. Yo, from the other day, a little war I go on with some man. You have a man named Small Man, and you have another man named Monty. The two of them are war. Them used to in a gang named the Beehive. I don't know what kind of gang that have Beyonce fan base name. And them a war with each other. The gang broke up, and within 2 days, within 1 day, about 7-8 man dead. Tonight a 6 man get shot, and 4 of them dead and 2 in the hospital. I want to listen to this.
Good night everyone, this is Kenton Chance of Eyewitness News, and I'm coming to you live from Kingstown, St. Vincent, where the time is 8:30 p.m. on Wednesday the 19th of July 2020. And we have a situation where 4 persons are confirmed dead on the scene and 1 injured and taken to hospital in Kingstown, where there was a shooting towards the eastern end of the city earlier this evening. Police are on the scene is heavily cordoned. The scene is cordoned off, and a lot of police here, as you can imagine. But what I've been able to confirm so far is that 4 men are dead on the scene. They were shot and killed by unknown assailants. 1 was injured and was taken to hospital, and police have launched the initial investigations and are processing the scene here where these deaths have occurred. For those of you who might have been following closely the news and some agreements, these deaths bring to 6 the number of homicides in the country since yesterday. 1 man was shot and killed in Calicut, and another was shot yesterday morning, and another was shot and killed in Mariupol last night. And now we have 4 men dead on the scene here in Kingstown, just in the area of Napa, or to pass just up from the National Insurance Services headquarters towards the road towards the Grenadines Wall. As you might appreciate, this is a breaking and developing story, and the information so far is still sketchy. I've been able to confirm the alias of just 1 of the men who were killed, but I won't release it at this time. Just so what I've been able to confirm is that 4 men are dead on the scene. 1 who was injured was taken to hospital. I do not know what is his condition at the time, but the killings have been to 6. 42 homicides, and so far this year, July, we are up to 34. It is 4 on the scene here now. So I will end this broadcast at this time because I need to do additional information on my reporting, and hopefully related to tonight we'll have something more substantial.
No, tomorrow or later on in our day, me are filling in on what's going on, because me hear say a wicked war go on over there, and is a youth named Monty and another one named Small Man, and the man them gang thing broke up, and the man them out for murder off each other, enough people dead. So stay tuned to this, cause my intel on the ground I go give me the full story. See? Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Peace, I'm out. News breaking, news breaking.